Jasmy certainly acquired roughly 4.08% inside the very most recent 24 hours, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The EMA 50 most certainly is right now at $0.007 in a kind of huge manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin basically is drifting at $87,003,429 in a quite large manner. Jasmy generally has its genuinely next opposition at $0.006, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin especially is drifting at $87,003,429. Lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. 04 August 2023. In this video we will walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time. Generally clarified some things, facts. What truly is especially transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin? Explicitly, is Jasmy a very wise venture? Which sort of is genuinely huge? Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on in an especially huge manner. However, prior to plunging essentially profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, truly let us most certainly discuss the truly current economic situations, which truly is very huge. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,169,279,238,148, which sort of is very huge. The by and large complete exchanging volume essentially remains at $29,024,660,437, or so they for the most part thought. Bitcoin shares 48.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, which truly is genuinely huge, which in every way that really matters, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,259.42 level, after a vertical development of 0.4%, kind of additional appearance how which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,259.42 level after a vertical development of 0.4%. Especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum essentially has seen a cost increment of 0.43%, coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours, in a kind of huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.47 following a value change of 0.78% inside a similar time period, so the all-out exchanging volume really remains at $29,024,660,437, which especially is genuinely huge. XRP, the local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.01, and right now exchanging at 66 cents, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 0.43%, coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours, which by and large is very critical. These occasions certainly show that the market truly is going in a truly descending bearing for kind of present moment, exhibiting that Jasmy truly has its really next opposition at $0.006, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin for the most part is floating at $87,003,429 in a truly significant manner. Right now, and in every practical sense, general extremely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a sort of significant manner. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition fundamentally are significant specialized markers used to in every practical sense distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how Jasmy especially has its essentially next obstruction at $0.006, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin certainly is drifting at $87,003,429, which generally is genuinely critical. Support generally is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become significantly more kind of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which by and large shows that Bitcoin shares 48.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which vendors, in a real sense, become move commonly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.43%, coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours, or so they basically thought. Following are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution. The by and large current Jasmy coin cost truly is $0.007 with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the truly beyond 24 hours, really in spite of prevalent thinking. At present, Jasmy truly is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, or so they for the most part thought. Jasmy coin value examination. Jasmy cost investigation for 04 August 2023, inside a very everyday time span, commonly made sense of beneath. So these occasions generally show that the market is going in a really descending heading for exceptionally present moment, exhibiting that Jasmy explicitly has its extremely next opposition at $0.006, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin truly is drifting at $87,003,429 in a kind of huge manner. We utilize kind of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA, to truly dissect the future development of the Jasmy coin. THEMACD line, especially is remaining beneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, especially further appearance. How 04 August 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters, 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these regularly basically sought clarification on pressing issues. Facts. What for the most part is certainly transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, in a real sense, is Jasmy a genuinely wise venture? In every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking, Jasmy coin financial backers need to basically hang tight for any directional change over the very everyday outline, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.43%. Coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The by and large relative strength record, RSI for Jasmy coin, generally is at present floating at 19 for 14 days fundamentally normal line, which in a real sense implies Jasmy basically is an oversold zone and a pattern kind of inversion all things considered is conceivable, sort of additional.